Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply the same video transition to all of your clips on CapCut. So select the line between your videos here and select the the transition that you want to use. For instance, this one. Adjust the duration as well. Then you're going to select apply to all, and then you're going to press the check mark button. And that's how you can do it. It is the simplest thing that you can do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.